Next example, if A is equals to minus 5 3 first row minus 2 4 second row, then show that A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into I. To show this result, we need to show this left hand side value A into adjoint of A value should be equals to this right hand side value, that is determinant of A into I. To show such type of result, we need to follow the following steps. See, step number one, we know A value, correct? We know this A value, but we don't know which value here, adjoint of A. So to find out this adjoint of A, first step we need to find out cofactor of A matrix. Cofactor of A matrix. Once we get the cofactor of A matrix, take the transpose of this cofactor of A matrix, we get which value here, adjoint of A. After taking transpose of A, we get adjoint of A. So once we get adjoint of A, next step we need to take the left hand side value. So what is that left hand side? A into what here? Adjoint of A. A into adjoint of A. So next step, substitute here A value into substitute here adjoint of A value. So next, in between these two, multiplication sign is there, so apply here multiplication rule, the row with column. So you get one value here. So call this 1. Call this as what here? 1. So once you get the left hand side, next you need to go for the right hand side value. So see that right hand side value first, which value is present here? Determinant of A. So next step, you need to find out the determinant of this A value. So keep the determinant symbol, substitute this A value, then cross multiplication, middle always negative sign. So you get which value here? Determinant of A value. So once you get the determinant of A value, next step, take right hand side. So what is the right hand side here? Determinant of A into I. So determinant of A into what here? I is equals to, see already here determinant of A value will be there. So substitute here determinant of A into I means identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1. Here determinant of A value will be there. So next into I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Next do the multiplication. Once you do the multiplication, here one answer you will get. Call that value as 2. Call that value as 2. So later on what to check? This 1. 1 means which value? Left hand side value. You need to compare with the right hand side value. If these two answers are same, then only left hand side is equals to what here? Right hand side, that is A into adjoint of A value is equals to determinant of A into I. So these are the steps you need to follow. So we'll do now. So first, cofactor matrix. So first step is what? Find a cofactor of A. So first solution. First step, cofactor of which matrix? A matrix. So first you need to note down sign rule for second order. So what is the sign rule? Plus, leave some space, minus, minus, then plus. So whenever you are taking the first element, delete that particular column, delete that particular row. What is the remaining element? 4. 4 you should write in the place of minus 5. So write here 4. Next, second element is 3. Delete that particular column, delete that particular row. Remaining element is minus 2. In place of 3, note down minus 2. So write here minus 2. Next, third element minus 2 means delete that particular column, delete that particular row. 3, note down in place of -2. That is third element. So next, fourth, delete that column and row. What is the remaining element here? -5. Note down here. So close the bracket. So next, multiply the sign. So plus into plus is 4, minus into minus is +2, minus into plus is -3, plus into minus is what here? -5. So this is cofactor of A. This is which matrix? Cofactor of A. So next, find out adjoint of A. Therefore, adjoint of A is equals to what to do? Whatever the cofactor of matrix A you will get, take the transpose of this. Transpose means you have to interchange rows in terms of columns, or else columns in terms of rows. So I'm going to interchange first row as first column, second row as second column. So this is the value of adjoint of A. Next, now take left hand side. So right here, LHS is equals to, what is the left hand side? A into adjoint of A. A into adjoint of A is equals to, first A is there, A matrix already given, -5, 3, -2, 4. Note down. So -5, 3, -2, 4 into adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A value? 4 -3, 2 -5. So next, in between two, multiplication sign is there, so apply the multiplication rule. Multiply first row with first column, in that first element with first element. Minus into plus is minus, 5 into 4 is 20. Next, plus into plus, middle always plus sign, so 3 into 2 is how much here? 6. Next, first row, second column, minus into minus is plus, 5 into 3, 15. Next, middle plus sign. Next, plus into minus is minus, note down here minus, 3 into 5 is 15. Next, second row, first column, minus into plus is minus, 2 into 4 is 8, middle plus sign, 4 into 2 is 8. First, second row, first column. Next, second row, second column, minus into minus is plus, 2 into 3 is 6, middle plus sign, plus into minus is minus, 4 into 5 is 20. Close. Next, multiply the sign here first, so which is equals to minus 20 plus 6 means minus 14. Next, 15, keep it as it is, plus into minus is minus 15. Next, minus 8 plus 8 means 0. 6, keep it as it is, plus into minus is what? Minus 20. Therefore, which is equals to minus 14 as it is, minus 15 plus 15 means 0. 0, keep it as it is, 6 minus 20 is minus 14. So call this as 1. So you got which side here? Left hand side value. So next, you need to find out the right hand side value, correct? Before finding right hand side value, first you need which value here? Determinant of A. So first find out the determinant of A. Now, therefore, determinant of A is equals to determinant symbol, keep it as it is. Next, substitute A value, minus 5, 3, minus 2, 4. Minus 5, 3, minus 2, 4 is equals to. So cross multiplication. Minus into plus is minus, 5 into 4 is 20. Middle always which sign will come? Minus. Next, minus into plus is, keep it in bracket, minus, 2 into 3 is 6. So which is equals to minus 20 as it is, minus into minus is plus 6. So which is equals to minus 20 plus 6 is how much here? Minus 14. You got determinant of A value. So once you get determinant of A, next take a right hand side value. So right here RHS, right hand side. So what is that? Determinant of A into I. So which is equals to, first determinant of A value is there. Determinant of A value is minus 14. So note down here, into I means identity matrix. Identity matrix value is 1 0 0 1. So next multiply. So minus 14 into 1 is minus 14. Minus 14 into 0 is 0. Minus 14 into 0 is 0. Minus 14 into 1 is what? Minus 14. Call this as 2. Call this as 2. Now you got left hand side value. You got right hand side value. Next compare these two. See, left hand side 14 0, sorry, minus 14 0 0 minus 14, and right hand side value is also minus 14 0 0 minus 14. So it means the left hand side value is equals to what here? Right hand side. Therefore finally note down, therefore LHS is equals to what here? RHS. This is how you need to solve. Next question, if A is equals to 2 minus 1 3 2 and B is equals to 0 4 1 minus 1, next you have to find out which value? Adjoint of A into B. So to find out adjoint of A into B, see, first step, here you need to find out which value? Adjoint of A into B. So directly it is not possible to find out adjoint of A into B because we don't know which value here? A into B. Therefore first step you have to find out A into B. So first note down here A value into, note down here B value, multiplication rule you apply, you will get one answer here. So that is the value of AB. So once you get AB answer here, this answer cofactor you have to find out, because which value you have to find out next here? Adjoint. So directly adjoint of AB is not possible to find. That's why you need to find out first cofactor of AB. Next you need to find out cofactor of AB value. So you know how to find out cofactor of AB. Now note down plus minus, minus plus, delete that particular column and row. So note down the answer here, then do the multiplication sign. Sign multiply you do, you will get one answer here. That is the value of cofactor of AB. Once you get this cofactor of AB, last step what to find? You have to find out adjoint of AB by taking the transpose of cofactor of AB. Once you take the transpose of cofactor of AB, note down here first row as first column, second row as second column, you will get which value? Adjoint of AB. So these three steps you need to follow whenever you are finding adjoint of A into B. So let us find solution. First find out AB. A into B is equals to, first A value 2 minus 1 3 2 into B value 0 4 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. Apply multiplication rule. First row first column, 2 into 0 is 0, middle plus sign, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. First row second column here, 2 into 4 is 8 plus minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. Next, second row, first column, 3 into 0 is 0, plus 2 into 1 is 2. Second row, second column, 3 into 4, 12, plus into minus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2. So close. So next, which is equals to, next 0 plus into minus is minus 1. Next 8 plus 1, keep it as it is, 0 plus 2, keep it as it is, 12, plus into minus is minus 2. Plus into minus is minus 2. Therefore, which is equals to, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, 0 plus 2 is 2, 12 minus 2 is how much here? 10. So this is the value of what here? A into B. A into B. Next, find out the cofactor of AB now. Cofactor of AB is equals to, write down the sign rule, plus, minus, minus, plus. First element is minus 1, delete the column and row. Remaining element is 10, note down here 10. Second element 9, delete that column and row. Remaining element is 2, note down here 2. Third element 2, delete that particular column and row. Remaining element 9. Last element, fourth element 10, delete the column and row. What is the remaining element here? Minus 1. So next, which is equals to, multiply the sign. Plus into plus is plus 10, minus into plus is minus 2, minus into plus is minus 9, plus into minus is minus 1. Plus into minus is minus 1. This is cofactor of AB. So next, find out the adjoint now. So by taking the transpose of AB, cofactor of AB. Therefore, adjoint of AB is equals to, so first row I am going to write it as a first column, second row I am going to write it as a second column. So this is the value of what here? Adjoint of AB. Next question, if A is equals to 2 minus 1, 3, 2 and B is equals to 0, 4, 1 minus 1, then find adjoint of B into adjoint of A. So to find out this adjoint of B into adjoint of A, we need to follow the following steps. See, step number 1, here in this example, you need to find out adjoint of B into adjoint of A. So you don't know adjoint of B, correct? So first step, find cofactor of B value. We need to find out cofactor of which value? B, by using that sign rule, plus minus, minus plus, then multiply the sign rule, you will get cofactor of B. Once you get the cofactor of B, next find out which value? Adjoint of B, by taking the transpose of cofactor of B. Then only you will get which value first? Adjoint of B. Once you get the adjoint of B, next step, find out cofactor of A value. Cofactor of which value? A. Next, take the transpose of cofactor of A, you get adjoint of A. So now you will get adjoint of B, you will get adjoint of A. Next, last step, what to do? You have to multiply these two. What to multiply? Adjoint of B into adjoint of what here? A. So first note down adjoint of B here into, next note down adjoint of A. Multiply these two, here one answer you will get That is the final value of adjoint of B into adjoint of A. So these are the few steps you need to follow whenever you are solving adjoint of B into adjoint of A. So we'll solve. So first, solution. First, adjoint of B is there. Find out cofactor of B. Cofactor of B is equals to sign rule you write plus minus minus plus. So here it is B. First element 0 means delete that column and that particular row. Remaining element is -1. So note down here -1. 4 is the second element. Delete that column and row. Remaining element is 1. Third element is 1. Delete that column and row. Remaining element is 4. Fourth element is -1. Delete that column and row. Remaining element is 0. So multiply the sign. So which is equals to plus into minus is -1. Minus into plus is -1. Minus into plus is -4. Plus into plus is +0. So this is cofactor of B. Now take the transpose this. You will get adjoint of B. Therefore, adjoint of B is equals to first row, write it as a first column. Second row, write it as a second column. First row, first column. Second row, note down as a second column. So next, so this is the value of adjoint of B. Next, adjoint of A is there. Before, find out cofactor of A. Cofactor of A is equals to sign rule you write plus minus minus plus. Here it is A. Delete the column and row. What is the remaining element? 2. So write here 2. Second element is -1. Delete the column and row. Remaining element is 3. Third element is 3. Delete that column and row. Remaining element is -1. Fourth element 2. Delete that column and row. Remaining element is 2. So next, multiply the sign, which is equals to plus 2. Minus into plus is -3. Minus into minus is +1. Plus into plus is +2. Therefore, adjoint of A is equals to replace. Now we take the transpose of cofactor of A. First row, second row, I am going to write it as a second column. You got adjoint of A. So after finding adjoint of B and adjoint of A, next step you need to find out adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Therefore, adjoint of B into adjoint of A is equals to first adjoint of B. What is adjoint of B here? -1, -4. Second row -1, 0. -1, 0. So into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is 2, 1, -3, 2. 2, 1, -3, 2. Now apply multiplication rule. So multiply first row with first column. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into 2 is 2. Next middle plus sign. Minus into minus is plus. 4 into 3, 12. So next first row, second column. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into 1 is 1. Next middle plus sign. Minus into plus is minus. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Next second row, first column. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into 2 is 2. Middle plus sign. 0 into any value will be 0. Next second row, second column. Minus into plus is -1 plus. Next minus into plus is minus 1. Next plus 0 into any value will be 0. Therefore, which is equals to, so now minus 2 plus 12 is plus 10. Next minus 1 plus into minus is minus 8. Minus 2 plus 0 means minus 2. Next minus 1 plus 0 means minus 1. Therefore, finally, what is the final answer you will get here? 10 minus 9 minus 2 minus 1. So this is the value of adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Next example, if A is equals to 2 minus 1 3 2, B is equals to 0 4 1 minus 1, then show that adjoint of B into adjoint of A is equals to adjoint of A into B. So in such type of example, we need to show this entire left hand side value should be equals to this right hand side value. So to find out this answer, first step, see, already I told you, to find out adjoint of B into adjoint of A, this value, first step we need to find out cofactor of B. Next, find out adjoint of B by taking the transpose. Next, find out cofactor of A. Again, find out adjoint of A by taking the transpose of this. So next, right here, left hand side is equals to, so what is the left hand side? Adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Adjoint of B value will be there, note down here. Adjoint of A value will be there, note down here. Multiply these two, you will get the value of adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Next, right hand side, see that right hand side value, adjoint of A into B. See, already steps are there. To find out adjoint of AB, first we need to find out AB. Note down A, note down here B, multiply these two, you will get AB value. Once you get AB value, find out cofactor of this AB by taking the sign rule, plus minus minus plus, deleting the particular row and column. You will get cofactor of AB here. Once you get this cofactor of AB, take the transpose of this cofactor of AB, you will get adjoint of AB. So call this as right hand side. So you will get right hand side adjoint of AB. Call this as 2 and call this as 1. So next you have to compare adjoint of B into adjoint of A value with adjoint of AB, right? If both the values are same, then only left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. See, in the previous examples already we solved separately. Now we are going to combine that. See, first find out cofactor of B. You will get minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 0. Take the transpose, you will get adjoint of B. Next, find out cofactor of A. Take the transpose of this, you will get a adjoint of A. Next, take the left hand side value, adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Note down here, multiply, you will get which answer? 10 minus 9 minus 2 minus 1. So call this as 1. So this is the left hand side value. So once you get the left hand side, go for the right hand side. See, for right hand side, first find out AB. A into B, do the multiplication. So this is the answer for AB. Once you get AB, next step is to find cofactor of AB. This is the value of cofactor of AB. Next, take the transpose of cofactor of AB, you will get adjoint of AB. Call this as 2. So find, once you get adjoint of AB, you have to compare with what? The first equation. See the first one, 10 minus 9 minus 2 1. Second, 10 minus 9 minus 2 1. So these two values are what here? Same. Therefore, you have to note down left hand side value is equals to right hand side.